Okay, so I'm going to set the drone down right here, and then I'm going to come back. So for me, just to make it go up, all I really have to do is press this button here, and it will take off. So when I press this, the drone is going to come up in front of me. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, I got to press and hold, I think. There we go. And there she goes. There it is. Okay, so on the controller, if I press this to the left, it'll go to the left. If I press it to the right, it comes to the right. If I pull on it, it'll come back towards me. See that? If I push forward, it goes forward. I don't want to go into my screen though. So let's pull it back. All right, and that's how you launch your drone. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel.